Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. It has been pointed out by learned counsel for the appellant that the purpose is really irrelevant for determining market value. Full stop. The potential has to be seen. Full stop. It is a case of willing buyer and willing seller. Full stop. It is also pointed out that number of ultimate claimants is really irrelevant because 20 sellers have to join if they have to sell the land and shoot for partition has to be filed. Full stop. The case of the appellant was that the plot which was acquired for their use was wholly landlocked. Full stop. This forms a very important factual issue which is important while determining the compensation. Full stop. The armchair assessment of land value has to proceed with common sense and circumspection. Full stop. One should attempt to find out the just and reasonable compensation without attempting any mathematical precision in that regard. Full stop. For the purpose of assessing compensation, comma, the efforts should be to find out the price fixed for the similarly land in the vicinity. Full stop. The difference in the land acquired and the land sold might take on various aspects. Full stop. One plot of land might be larger, comma, another small, comma. One plot of land might have a large frontage and another might have none. Full stop. There might be differences in land development and location. Full stop. There might be special features which have to be taken note of and reasonably considered in the matter of assessing compensation. Full stop. Where a very large plot of land has been acquired and the comparison is sought to be made with a comparatively small piece of land which has been sold or otherwise dealt with, comma, then in that event, comma, a percentage of the price is to be knocked off because of the largeness itself of the acquired land. Full stop. Accordingly, comma, the High Court made the deductions. Full stop. The High Court also dealt with the question of land locking and held that it was a special feature which had to be taken note of. Full stop. They do not find any infirmity in the approach of the High Court. Full stop. Therefore, comma, the rate fixed by the High Court does not suffer from any infirmity. Full stop. The appeals filed by the appellant, comma, therefore, comma, stand dismissed. Full stop. Rate fixed by the High Court as questioned in the cross hyphen examination does not warrant interference. Full stop. But there is substance in the plea regarding rate of interest. Full stop. The rate of interest as statutorily fixed shall be applicable in place of rate fixed by the reference court and the high court. Full stop and over. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी विद फ्लक्चुएशन. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस लाइक दिस। तो हमने ये जो दूसरी पीडीएफ है कंप्लीट कर लिया लगभग, सिर्फ इसकी एक बीच वाली डिक्टेशन रह गई है जो हमारी 32 नंबर डिक्टेशन है। इसे हम नेक्स्ट डिक्टेशन में कंप्लीट करेंगे। बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।